Please like, subscribe and share for more videos. Once upon a time, there was a merchant and his wife. They had a baby daughter named GT. Sadly, the wife passed away, and the merchant married another woman, who soon had a baby daughter too. The two sisters, GT and Jahi, grew up together. GT was a kind and beautiful girl, but her stepmother didn't love her. GT had to work hard in the house but was never given new clothes or good food. On the other hand, Jahi, the stepmother's daughter, was not very nice and didn't help, but her mother gave her beautiful clothes and the best food. One day, Jahi's mother decided it was time to find a husband for Jahi. She dressed her in her best clothes and sent her to the market, hoping young men would notice her. GT also wanted to go, but she only had old, dirty clothes to wear. At the market, a handsome young man saw GT and fell in love with her, even though she was dressed poorly. The young men sang a song praising GT, which made Jahi and her mother very angry. The next week, the sisters went to the market again, but this time GT wore Jahi's beautiful clothes, and Jahi wore GT's old ones. The young man still loved GT and wanted to marry her, which made Jahi and her mother even angrier. Jahi's mother came up with a wicked plan. She told Jahi to take GT to the forest and trick her into going to the river, where GT would slip and fall into the water. Sadly, GT fell into the river and was captured by a demon. When GT's father returned home and couldn't find her, he was heartbroken. The young man who loved GT also searched for her and eventually found her trapped in the river by the demon. He saved her by throwing a big piece of meat into the river to distract the demon. GT escaped but was injured. Despite this, the young man still loved her, and they got married and lived happily ever after, with many children.